The Bible Belt churches are jam-filled with people who have no mark of being Christians on their lives other than the fact that they attend once a week. No obedience whatsoever. No desire for obedience. No relationship with Christ. No seriousness about God. Like, this is it. You come, you check it, and you'll call yourself a Christian. And I want to lovingly tell you that if there's no desire for obedience and no obedience, you should not count yourself a Christian. You should consider yourself lost and in danger of damnation. And I know you might be going, well, that seems a little strong. How cruel would it be for me to pamper your religiosity when damnation's at stake? So you can go somewhere else. They'll talk to you about how awesome you are. But I need, compelled by the scriptures, to tell you you're playing a dangerous, dangerous, dangerous game.